In 2020, Uniswap decentralized trade was at the focal point of the publicity around decentralized finance, DeFi. The stage sent off its local digital money, Uniswap, UNI, in September 2020. The symbolic cost blast, and in 2 or 3 days, UNI previously was in the main 40 cryptographic forms of money by market capitalization. What is Uniswap? Uniswap decentralized trade was at first delivered in November 2018. The stage is a DApp in view of the Ethereum blockchain, which empowers the trading of Ether to an assortment of ERC20 tokens. Uniswap boosts liquidity suppliers by giving them commission charges. Uniswap digital money was sent off in 2020 and presently is utilized for casting a ballot rights, major turns of events, and so on. In 2021, the UNI token began its presentation astonishingly, alongside the entire digital currency market. In January, UNI's cost was just $5, and before the month's over, this figure moved to $20. The symbolic cost came to the $30 point as of now toward the finish of February. You can follow the Uniswap cost changes live in the gadget beneath. For what reason did the Uniswap project blast a year ago? As a matter of some importance, reasons are the stage's ease of use and combination with the MetaMask wallet. Also, the clients are in full control of their confidential keys. The other DE's connection points were not quite as natural as the Uniswap's. So a mechanized market creator has a publicly released code. There is no structure book or any mediators. That is the reason this decentralized stage makes the course of trade smooth and simple. UNI specialized investigation. The cost activity has been illustrative alongside the entire crypto market for the beyond couple of months. The rate development is normal since Uniswap is sending off the third variant, Uniswap v3. As per the clients through the trading view stage, who are accountable for the Uniswap specialized investigation, anticipate UNI token to be on the main 5 altcoins list this mid-year. They say that the individuals who contribute now get 3x benefit. Uniswap value forecast 2022. As per the specialized examination of Uniswap costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Uniswap will be $7.08929. The most extreme level that the UNI cost can reach is $7.9692. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $7.41926. UNI value estimate for September 2022. In view of the value vacillations of Uniswap toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical UNI pace of $6.85931 in September 2022. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $6.26937 and at $7.0493, individually. October 2022, Uniswap value conjecture. Digital money specialists are prepared to declare their gauge for the UNI cost in October 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $6.73933. While the most extreme could reach $7.39926 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Uniswap may be around $7.05929. UNI value conjecture for November 2022. Crypto experts have actually taken a look at the value variances of Uniswap in 2022 and in earlier years. So the normal UNI rate they foresee may be around $7.26927 in November 2022. It can drop to $7.0093 as a base. The most extreme worth may be $7.67923. December 2022, Uniswap value conjecture. Around mid-year 2022, the UNI cost will be exchanged at $7.41926 by and large. December 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Uniswap worth to $7.9692. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $7.08929 in December 2022. Uniswap value expectation 2023. After the examination of the costs of Uniswap in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, The base cost of Uniswap will be around $10.47895. The greatest expected UNI cost might be around $12.71873. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $10.77892 in 2023. Uniswap Value Expectation 2024. In light of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Uniswap, in 2024, UNI is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $14.63854 and $18.13819, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $15.06849. Uniswap Value Forecast 2025. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have dissected the costs of Uniswap and their changes during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base UNI cost could drop to $21.93781, while its most extreme can reach $25.12749. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $22.53775. Uniswap Value Forecast 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of Uniswap by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least UNI costs are normal in 2026, $37.69623 and $31.20688. By and large, it will be exchanged at $32.10679. Uniswap Value Forecast 2027. Crypto specialists are continually investigating the changes of Uniswap. In view of their expectations, the assessed typical UNI cost will be around $48.0352. It could drop to at least $46.43536, yet it actually could reach $53.38466 all through 2027. Uniswap Value Forecast 2028. Consistently, cryptographic money specialists get ready estimates at the cost of Uniswap. It is assessed that UNI will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $66.05339 and $82.72173 in 2028. Its typical expense is normal at around $68.46315 during the year. Uniswap Value Forecast 2029. Digital money experts are prepared to report their assessments of the Uniswap's cost. The year 2029 still up in the air by the most extreme UNI cost of $115.70843. Nonetheless, its rate could drop to around $94.81052. Thus, the normal typical